Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Robinhood. Is Robinhood safe for investing? Robinhood is generally considered a safe platform from a regulatory and security standpoint, but it's crucial to understand what safe means in this context. First, Robinhood is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, or SIPC. This means your securities and cash are protected up to a certain limit, currently $500,000, including $250,000 for cash claims, in the unlikely event that Robinhood fails financially or goes out of business. It's important to note, however, that SIPC protection does not protect you from losing money due to market fluctuations or poor investment choices. Second, Robinhood is a regulated broker-dealer. It's overseen by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, and is a member of the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, or FINRA. These regulatory bodies impose rules and standards designed to protect investors. Third, the platform employs strong security measures to protect your account, including data encryption for sensitive information like your social security number, and two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. For uninvested cash, Robinhood uses a cash sweep program that makes eligible funds protected by FDIC insurance at partner banks, up to a certain limit. Now, let's address the risks. While your assets are protected against broker failure, your investments are always subject to market risk. Robinhood's user-friendly interface is great for beginners, but it also provides easy access to more complex, risky products like options and margin trading, which can lead to significant losses if you don't fully understand them. Additionally, Robinhood crypto holdings are not covered by SIPC or FDIC insurance. In summary, Robinhood is safe concerning the security of your account and the firm's insolvency, thanks to SIPC protection and regulation. But like any investment, the platform itself cannot protect you from investment losses. As always, do your own research, understand the risks of what you are trading, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.